My name's Rameka Wharerau. I'm part of the group here based in Ngāpuhi. Yeah, we do sort of a few different kind of jobs. A lot of it sort of involves training, working with the Department of Conservation and advocating to people and trying to get the word out there about kauri dieback and kauri protection as well. There's not many of the trees in there left. There's only about 5% of the kauri trees are left. So just to make people aware of if they're going into the forest, to help them with the basic hygiene practice of scrubbing their shoes. Also maybe getting out to meet the pig hunters maybe later on this year and telling them about to clean their trucks if they're going to be using the bush. Oh, that's a good question. Yeah, well, I think it's important because these trees have been around for a long time, and I think that I know that we're all of us we're not going to be around forever. So hopefully it carries on long after we're gone, and it gets passed on to the next generation.